had a bunch of you guys asking to see video of the HATBOX Ghost Tiki mug. So I am going to oblige and do just that. Came out today. It was announced mid-afternoon that they were coming out with this, and it looks like they're going to be doing different variations again over the next few years, like they did with the HATBOX or the Hitchhiking Ghost one. They came out with different colors, and with this one on the bottom here, where's my camera? You can see it says first edition. So it appears that they'll be doing different colors as well with this one. So as you can see, he's really cool. And this thing is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. As you can see, me holding it, I'm not going to drop it. It's pretty decent sized. But you got the HATBOX Ghost. His head is in the hat box instead of being up here where his head normally is. And then on the back, you got a little tombstone that says Memento Mori 1702. I don't know what that date is. I don't know if it has any significance. Apparently it does because they put it on there. But I'll have to check that out and look into why it says 1702. I don't know if that was when the store was made or what, but and then that's it really for the details. I'll show you guys, give you a quick little spin around here of it. Fancy, fancy. But yeah, on the bottom it says Trader Sam's, Grog Grotto, Disney, first edition. This one's kind of black and white colored, so I don't know what other colors they're going to come out with. They had a wristband process, which was kind of painless, really. It was I got there about 4 o'clock. They had you go behind Trader Sam's. They had a wristband station. You got a wristband. You went over and you purchased it. They gave you your drink in a regular cup, and then you had to take your receipt and your wristband over to get your HATBOX Ghost Tiki mug. So they don't put the drink in this mug. They give you a separate cup to get your drink in. And there are 2 Haunted Mansion drinks that you can choose from when you order this. And I have those up on the, I can't remember the name of them. One of them was, I can't remember. But there's 2 drinks. There's 2 drinks. You don't have, I don't think you have to pick those 2, but they have 2 Haunted Mansion themed alcoholic drinks that you can choose from. And I have them up on the ThrillGeek Twitter handle, so you can check them out there. I also have more pictures of this guy. So there he is, HATBOX Ghost. He'll be going right over here with all my other Haunted Mansion goodies. So really cool, love it. I'm glad I got one. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.